I'm going to show you how to install Go or Golang on a Centos 7 Linux machine. First thing we're going to do, check what folder we're in. We're in the Home Pilot folder. Great. You can see I've got nothing in here. We're going to use wget to download the precompiled version of Go from Google APIs. And you can notice I'm going to download the 64-bit version. Once that's downloaded, I can see it. Alright, there's my tarball. Let's go ahead and untar that. Now that that's done untarring, we can see the Go folder. Let's move the Go folder to where we actually want it to exist on our operating system, which is in the user local Go folder. Oh, I already have it existing there, so let's, just so you can see for sure that I'm doing this, I'm going to remove it, and I have to sudo. Sorry for that brief interruption. Now if I try moving it again, it's going to work. Okay, now Go is where we want it to be. However, our path statement has not been updated, so if I use the Go command, it doesn't work. Let's update our path command. The way we do that is we create a file in the profile.d folder, and I'm just going to call this go-config.sh. And what we want to do is update our path statement, and we use that with the export command. We're going to say set the path variable equal to what it is now, the colon separator, and what we want to add to it, which is the path to the Go bin folder. Alright, so that will allow the path statement to be correct when somebody logs in, no matter what user they are. But because I don't want to log out and log back in right now, I am going to update our path statement with the source command. And just so you see our path command is not correct, we can do the echo path. And you can see it does not say anything about the Go path. If I do a source and run that shell script we just created, and we do an echo of the path again, now you can see it does reference the right folder. And if I type Go now, Go actually runs, and I didn't give the right parameters, but we definitely reached the Go program. So that's working. Now let's create a test program. First thing is, let's make a folder for it to exist in. We're going to call it say hi. And then let's go ahead and cd into that folder. And then we'll create our source file. This Go program is just extremely simple, just so that we can demonstrate that things work. All we have here is package main, naming what package we have. We're going to import format so that we can use format print line down here, and then we'll just print out a line when it runs. So we'll save that, and then we'll compile by saying go build, and there we have it. There's our program. Now what's interesting about Go is that it actually names this program after the folder that we are in. So that's why it's called say hi, because that's the folder we're in. It's not actually based on this name. Alright, let's run the program and see if it works. And there you go, we ran a program. So now you know how to install Go on a Centos 7 machine, create a sample program, and test it.